Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today what I want to break down is INSM, ticker symbol INSM. We're going to take a look at the daily chart, the hourly chart, and go and break down the trade that I entered about 3 days ago, for about 117% profit so far. And I do think the stock's going to head down lower, resulting in that profit increasing drastically. So I'm going to go ahead and break down the strategy and break down my decision on why I decided to buy a put, at what strike I decided, and what expiration I got the put on. So for this stock, I did make a video about this I don't know, months ago on this YouTube channel. It's titled "Easiest Stock to Make Money On for Beginners." I guess I'll link it, put a card here, so you can check it out after the video. But basically, let's get what I basically broke down in that video is how it's easy to make money on the stock. It reaches certain levels and it tends to correct at that certain level, and then it reaches another certain level and goes up from there. So let's do that in this video. So here in this case, this is INSM. We do have auto support and resistance lines here, which are pretty accurate. Every time it reaches around this level, it tends to correct upwards, and it does go on a steady increase from there. Until this part here, we did see some loss in momentum as the stock started reaching these levels here. But then again, it wouldn't have been a good idea to short there. For one, we didn't get any bearish confirmation, and for another, we still had some room until we reached some sort of resistance here, as it tends to do with these levels. So it did reach that, and then from there on, then we were at some really strong resistance levels here, and we did correct downwards. And so on the daily chart, we don't have bearish confirmation yet, but if we do head lower, so maybe on Monday or Tuesday at market open, or depending on where prices close on the day, I do think we're going to get some bearish confirmation, and I do think that's going to happen if we're able to close below 25.88, around there. But basically, I was taking a look at the hourly chart, and you'll see on the hourly chart that we did get some bearish confirmation, and this was from the gap up on the daily that you saw. And then we got let me zoom this in so it's easier to see, and apologize for the lag. Alright, right here. So, right here, bearish confirmation. The low of this candle was 29.77. So entering, buying a put option, maybe 28 strike, at the low of 29.77. You can submit a condition to get filled at market price for a 28 put. Then once you get filled, just take advantage of the downside immediately. Here we started to give back some profits yet, but since we entered in this candle, we're still slightly profitable, but not as profitable, of course, at these levels here. Then of course, this was a swing trade, so obviously price is going to fluctuate up and down. It did go up to probably test some resistance again, and then it head lower from there. I believe Friday, so just Friday and Thursday, just decided to head lower and lower and lower, and to fill this gap here. So I do think we're going to head lower. Although I feel like I should close a position on this just to take some profits. But like I said, on the daily chart, once we get that bearish confirmation, I'm going to be buying some more puts. Although, also, you don't really want to contract too deep in the money. So I would buy some more puts on the way down, with another expiration. So to basically show you the picture of the profits, I'm going to put a picture right here, and also to basically tell you what contract it was. It was a 21st of August, 28 strike put option, for 117% return so far. So that's the video I want to do for today. If you guys want to join our Discord, where we have analysts send out alerts, and just a bunch of traders on the server there, you can just join. Click the link in the description. It's titled Discord Investors Group or something like that. Click it and you'll join, and then you can check it out. All right, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.